In this lecture, we will going to learn about relational algebra. It is a language in which we can ask queries to a database. There are many variations of the operations that are included in relational algebra. The relational algebra is a theoretical language with operations that work on one or more relations to define another relation without changing the original relation. Remember one thing, that is relational algebra is not a query language. It is the theory that how we can create a SQL query to retrieve our data from the database. Like operator in relational algebra take 1 over 2 relations over tables are input arguments and generate a single relation or table. Code originally proposed 8 operations, but several others have been developed. Relational algebra has unary operations and binary operations. No specific keywords like in SQL. Like any other mathematical system is defining the number of operators and operands. Operands are relations over tables in the database. A simple operation in math, 10 minus 5 is equal to 5, same as what is the union of two tables. I think it is new for you, but relax, we are going to learn it in our upcoming practical lectures. According to math, we are getting one number in result. So same case here, after joining two tables, the result is equal to a single table. Thank you for watching this video.